What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ryan. I am back with another video. As y'all can read by the title, I am about to install this wig for you guys. So I'm not even going to talk so much. Just follow my steps. This is how I install my wig. I am not a professional, baby, but this is how I do mine. So it's very beginner friendly. Just take your time, keep practicing, and you'll get there. So before we even get deep into that video, make sure you stop what you're doing. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, follow my social medias that's listed in the description box. And I will provide the wig, where I got this wig from, in that description box as well. And just stay tuned. Your girl's finna install a wig for YouTube. I can't believe that. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube. So if you've gotten this far, thank you. Period. So y'all, the reason why I'm really doing this install is because I got invited to a video with Kiana J and Abby Nicole personally from them. I'm definitely excited. This is like a big opportunity for upcoming influencers, and I just really like it. Like, it is January the 24th, so I'm gonna try and vlog to get ready with me, and I'm gonna get some content with them. But they really cool. Like, they was like, bring y'all TikToks, make sure y'all TikToks be ready. Like, we down to do TikToks with y'all. Like, let's do some stuff. Like, we need a lot of big YouTubers for networking. And if you don't know them, click off of this and go to their Instagram. Like, they got big followings. Like, they're really lit. I really like it. But this really a big opportunity. So yes, I'm gonna definitely go and rep my city and look cute and have fun all at once. Like, it's gonna be really fun. So yes, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to their channels as well if you're not already following them. And follow my socials because I will be posting more on my Instagram. And boom, look at this hair, y'all. Like, it's so good and silky, and the density is so thick. I think I got 180, and I never got 180 density with long hair, and it's so thick and full and pretty and soft. I love this install. I never done a side part in long hair, so I switched it. Sorry, y'all. But yes, it looks so good. I was rushing to go and pick up my car after work, so I had to hurry up. My hair's not fully flat ironed, but don't beat me up, y'all. But yes, get into that. It's so cute. But I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all.